Reflective essay. What role will robots play in our future? We stand on the brink of a technological revolution that will fundamentally alter the way we live, work, and relate to one another. In its scale, scope, and complexity, the transformation will be unlike anything humankind has experienced before. World Economic Forum 2016. I stand on a brink, like the rest of the world. The age that I am now is very special because it has changed me profoundly. Our brain structure is said to undergo a transformation for the last time around our early 20s, causing the brain to rewire itself and cause us to think and act more functionally and efficiently so as to prepare us for adulthood. I think this may have happened to me because in a lot of ways, I feel a little steadier than I used to. But in other ways, the future seems less certain than ever before. And I feel as though I have spent most of my education preparing for a different kind of world. The word I've encountered in various outlets when reading about the Fourth Industrial Revolution has been disruption, or the disruptive power of technology to fundamentally transform the way we live and work to change the rules of a systematized, long-running game. Various estimates have ensued. For instance, a prediction that has been making many headlines is that almost half of all jobs will be automated in the next 20 years. This will inevitably transform our economies. In fact, it has already been shown to have an impact on jobs and income distribution, as intelligent machines have begun to utilize their machine learning capacities to automate increasingly skilled and sophisticated operations. Some of the fields where emerging technological breakthroughs have been prominent, as declared by the World Economic Forum, include artificial intelligence, robotics, the Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, 3D printing, nanotechnology, biotechnology, materials science, energy storage, and quantum computing. Because the speed of these breakthroughs will double at an exponential rate. The tasks in each respective field will most likely require increasingly specialized labor. As for what their breakthroughs themselves will mean for humanity, one can only imagine how far-reaching their influence might be. There is a fundamentally modern idea that seems suitable for this time, that instructs us to always embrace new ideas as they come into our lives and maintain a childlike state of wonder. But as we grow older, we are naturally more resistant to change, because we have a lifetime of experience as the source of proven evidence that the world functions a certain way. I think this is why for a lot of us the idea of intelligent robots is a little bit uncomfortable. It brings up the idea that we are getting older, and maybe a little less open to accepting new outrageous information, and imagining society in a way that is completely foreign to us, because we have already formed steady,